Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to install Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your Windows PC. So to start with this one, you're going to need a Microsoft account or even your Microsoft Store. So once you have those together ready, on the magnifying glass on your screen, just type in here Microsoft Store right there, open it up, and you're going to see this. It's just going to be an application on your Windows. It's just like your Play Store or your App Store on your devices, all right? So once in here, let me just make this full screen. Perfect. And you're gonna see right there best-selling games, the one we're looking for. This is gonna be Java and Bedrock Edition, and currently sells for $30. That's actually around 700, or let me just check. I think 1,700 if I'm not mistaken. And then you can also play with Game Pass for this, but Game Pass also costs money. So you can check here for free Windows launcher. For example, this one right there. As you can see, Minecraft for Windows. This is actually free. However, this one right here only gives you the option to launch your Minecraft on your PC. It doesn't give you the option to play within worlds to servers. So how can we overpass and went straight ahead to Bedrock Edition? So I'm gonna give you a special link here. In here, this is gonna be the link, and this is the creator under this name right there. Just follow the steps on the Discord link, and there's also an alternate link right there. There's gonna be clear instructions, so click the download link above, extract the zip file and one installer, and enjoy playing Minecraft Edition. It's gonna be as easy as downloading, installing, and playing. All right. Again, this is gonna be the link if you want to check this out, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.